Well, one, everyone is doing fine. I'm going to show a few video clip of what's going on in Jamaica when you do not take the curfew seriously.
This is the police. In accordance with the order under the Disaster Risk Management Act, all persons are to be off the streets and indoors between the hours of 8 p.m. and 6 a.m. These orders are to reduce the spread of the coronavirus.
Take effect. That means no one is to be seen on the streets between the hours of 8 p.m. and 6 a.m. for the next 7 days. You're to stay home, maintain your social distance, wash your hands properly with soap and water, and for those who don't like to bathe, you better start bathing now because Corona will take center you and kill you.
Go on. 10 push-ups. Down, push-up. Down, 1, 2, 3. Let's go. Next one, sit up. Come on, push yourself.
Them a come. I feel like getting like mosquito. This virus is here. The virus. The virus.
Real and will pick the way out there. Big pussy police, Andrew's gonna suck your mama, you can't do nothing. We out there, we not going, see it there. Life me, I make sure go. We out there, we not going. Andrew is a suck cock. You can't have a control again, you want to control, man. Go suck your mama. Bad man, yeah, see there, Andrew them, since bad man friends today there. We not going a blood clot tonight.
SSP office.
Last night, yeah.
Go ahead.
Right. No, we have found the man that we're looking for, so you can stand down on the record. He was on the bed hiding, but we found him. Alright, come. Miss Blake.
Man, this is a big pussy of police.
Alright, come.
Fine him.
Miss Blake.
So him now go in, see man.
Yes, so the last video is a prime example of show off always bring disgrace. Anyway, the constable force ended up thanking individuals who allowed the video to go viral as they clamped down on the individual who wasn't obeying the law. So people, once again, your curfew hours in Jamaica is 8 p.m. to 6 a.m. as of April 1st until the 8th of the month. Catch you in the next video. Big up on yourself.